Move slow. Feel the pressure. Breathe. Under the lights. No destination. Only motion. Only rhythm. Move with the groove. Move with the groove. Stay in the moment. Stay in the flow. Deeper. Lower. Closer. Inside. No rush. No fear. No ending. We're here. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
Alright, ladies and gents, let's get this ball rolling here.
Never break.
There's a lot I'm battling with here on the system today. I don't know why, but we are moving and grooving with it, ladies and gents.
The city
I can put the button
disappears.
right there.
The sound remains. Every heartbeat. Every frequency.
Okay, two.
Deep.
I can't hear myself.
Minimal. Underground.
I don't know if Chris has done set it up for. There we go. I can hear.
Together.
I was gonna say, I don't know if he just done set it up for New York session. What's going on? But we will figure it out as we go. Okay. But yeah, let's get into it, yeah, guys.
Into motion.
Let's get into it. You guys all here? Everyone good?
Into rhythm.
What?
Fade into silence.
Guys, am I live? Are you there?
Closer. Feel the pulse. Everything in motion.
There we go. Okay, yeah, guys. I don't know. This thing is freaking out. Yeah. Okay, we on the right thing. Yeah, we're all good. Yeah. I have no clue what's going on. Yeah. This thing is freaking out. This whole platform. The date says yesterday. Maybe that's why. Yeah, bro. It's the Streamlabs is having like a little meltdown. Yeah, but we need to get into the charts, ladies and gents. So I hope the other guys figure things out and they can use a little bit of the brain cells and find us. But we obviously got to get to work here quickly because markets are already open. I think what we'll do here, ladies and gents, we'll finish up with a prayer today. We'll do it a little bit different. So we will still pray, but I think we'll wrap it up with a prayer. Purely because we are running out of time here quite quickly. So we're going to see what happens here. I'm just trying to set all my charts up. Share screen. Alright, there you go. So you guys can see my... Bro, I have no clue what this thing is doing. But you guys can see it. And I'm also just realizing this music is probably still really loud to you guys. This is what happens when I've got to fight for my life here. Of course, Murphy's Law when I've got to stream. Nothing wants to work properly. How's that sounding now, guys? Friday vibes, pump it, it's okay. Where's let me know there, guys. How's that? Can you guys hear the music but still hear me quite good? Nas, not doing too much yet. It's good. Okay, cool. I changed the date. Perfect. Okay. Audio good. Awesome. Yeah, guys. As it stands right now, I am gonna pretty much watch these lows over here. Hey? So if we can run that, I will definitely look at some sells here today. Buys are looking good, but as I said to the guys, a little bit unfortunate today with the news. Did actually like sells on NAS. Two scenarios, so I wouldn't have changed anything differently. We got mixed data, which again made it pretty much a non-event. But I'm still locked in for now. So as I said to the guys, I don't think that bullish momentum is going to hold. So if we can still get our trade here today, I am more than happy to make some moves here.
Feel the pressure, hold the silence, move together, stay connected, deep, deeper, still, flow.
Audio good, perfect.
Nothing to chase.
Okay, so we're at that 200. We're gonna see what's happening there. Dollar.
Let the current
Gonna have to range a bit here now. Pretty much bouncing. So that 200, it's gonna be a fight there for the dollar, you guys. So don't expect anything crazy there. Gold being that safe haven move. So if you were in the free group, okay, this is something I want you guys to talk about here. Is we had the idea that pretty much with NAS and indices in general, if we got a very, very low print, which we did, I would have liked to have seen the idea that obviously if we beat, you want to see indices sell, and if it came out low like it did, it also becomes a bit of a spark of fear in the markets coming out that low. So you would have actually wanted to see indices sell off as well, and that's my personal take. Other people might not exactly agree with me. Chris might not even agree with me, but that's my personal take on that. So that was the idea, and hence we had mixed data, which threw a little bit of a curveball, but I do still believe we could get that sell. So I'm not completely closed off to buys here, but I'm also not going to be oblivious and just go for yes I can or so on. But I'm not going to be oblivious to it. So I like the buys as it stands. For the trading session, I want to be looking for buys. But as we are also looking at this level right now, unfortunately, the sells can come in play, and that's just the reality. Those sells aren't done yet. So we're going to see what happens. Just checking a few things on my other screen. Yeah, probably you guys will know what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's also still very interesting for us. So definitely not off the cards yet. Is always Friday, guys, so you can expect Friday pullbacks. But yeah, we are quite ready to get a move here today. So we're just going to be patient, and hopefully we can get in our position here. Then just checking with Kerbo be trading on PG. Theodore, I'm not sure. He either is, but I think I did see a message that I think he was going to be on stream with us. Still doesn't make sense to me that NP is negative, but unemployment is better. Yeah, Carl, the joys, eh? That's why Chris and myself always actually say to you guys, we personally prefer a CPI event. But yeah, NFP always fun, eh? But we need to make back some of that weekend money now. Just waiting to see Nas. Come on. That daily R1, daily pivot, Asia lows, daily S1. Gold actually moving super clean today, but I'm not gonna go jump into gold after one good day so far. NFP is match fee. Bro, but you know what? Hey, that's a little bit of school fees we had to pay for the week. I'm fine with that. I'm more than fine with that. Nas is vibrating, yeah. Definitely think there's a move building, yeah. We just gotta wait it out. We had this the other day in the week with the Prodigy members. Our position was there, wanted the position, we knew we wanted it, and we had to just be wait. And when we saw this type of price action, we're like, this is not the price action we want to get involved in. Sat it out, and about 15 minutes later, started moving a lot cleaner. Got entry criteria, we entered, basically zero drawdown, and flew to TP. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta wait it out. Okay, we're starting to move lower. Still a little bit low, we got to go though. Before we can actually get something that we're really going to like. I took cells too. Hey, Roxy. Where'd you take the cells? I hope you didn't sell like now at the low. Nice price action we have, yeah. That's, bro, this is it. This is that Nas Friday energy. Choppy opening this one, yeah. USD wasn't bad. I mean, sell off and then the move. No, before NFP. I was saying we're in the same thing. Don't worry. But you know what's funny? Chris and myself always had this thing. If you go into profits before the news event, you're on the wrong side. And when it sat there and that last, like just before the news came out, it dropped. I was like, oh boy. You gotta ask Chris, we've picked up on it so many times. It's very rare it will punch into profit for you and then punch your direction. It always, for some reason, punches, gets you in profit, and then we'll go the opposite. So the minute I saw that little drop, I was like, there we go. %, if you're in profit before the news event, you're in cock. Bro. Close empty. But you know, and I'll even say that's my one toxic trade. When I trade a news event, Chris and myself both do it. We already been like, okay, we've made peace that this is the money we prepared to blow. Sorry guys, also if we break, yeah, I'm gonna go bars. Okay, we just need to see this candle close. If we can close above there, I'm gonna go for longs. But yeah, we both do it. So let's say I put like 3 grand in, for example. Okay, you trade and like before the news event, you up like 2 grand or 3 grand. Then I sit there and I'm like, nah. But you see, like that's a 1-to-1. Like, did I really do all of this for a 1-to-1? And then I'll leave it instead of taking that money, and then it will pump me anyway. And I'm like, okay. Like I could have just taken that 1-to-1.
Touch the future, feel the sound.
I followed my mains when I was out before 3:30. Ay.
Dream circuit, take control. Running through my
How's that phone, Makey? Yeah.
set me free like an endless energy. Dream circuit.
Okay, Prodigy, you guys know 5-minute closure. Yeah, we looking for sales, eh? Where's the, bro? It's the Friday tunes. Yeah, people must come to terms with losing money before trading, especially live capital. Order filled. Ah, there's no order filled. Yeah. Lorenzo, you in there, bro? You ready?
Neon signs and empty roads, carrying our secret codes. Radio whispers in the dark, like a fading little spark.
Nah, I'm waiting.
Stay a while, don't look back. Leave your worries off the track. Afterglow Motel, where the shadows fell. Every moment feels so well under your electric spell.
What just happened right now?
Only time will tell if we're dreaming or under a spell. Afterglow.
Sometimes I wonder with animals, bro. Like my missus sends me now. I think my dog chewed the bottom of one of our decoration books. That's like on the coffee tables and stuff. Like, I don't know if she. What? Did he chew it? Like, as a dog, bro, like, he's got a million toys. Why would you go chew a book?
Silver shadows on the floor. Every second wanting more. Moving slowly through the crowd. Lost where dreams become the sound. Touches the feeling. Let it grow. Far away. The bass lines go, 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 go. Electric moonlight. Guide me home. Through the city. Through the unknown.
Okay, let's see, guys. As it closes, that would be, that would be the cells. Okay, as it stands now, no longer. The body's too small, guys. I know. Sorry, guys. To the free people on stream now, I'm gonna maybe sound like you're gonna be so confused to what I'm saying. But obviously, I can't just give it away, the Prodigy stuff. But yeah, you guys understand that with that entry criteria, that's no longer a position, eh? So even if it closes bearish, it close like that now. No entry, guys. Yeah. So it's a beautiful little range we've got to trade in here. That's edgy, man. It seems like sellers getting bro, your puppet is toy in his mouth just to chew. Bro. I don't get them sometimes. They're hungry for knowledge. I just want to chew the things that have your sense on when you're not home. He was next to me in the room. Lucky I'll be with you. Okay. Awesome, man.
Floating through a sea of sound.
Just a reminder, guys, sorry, because I was fighting with the system to stream. We will still pray at the end of stream, just so we are locked in here. But we will pray before we leave here today. I'm ready for NAS 100. I have my beer next to me. Hey. Yeah, and we start off. We got the boys playing tonight. Stormers versus the All Blacks. Start of the greatest rivalry. We got the green and gold tomorrow. Guys, what's your for the boys, the gents? I mean, even the women if they're into it. What's your thoughts on the greatest rivalry jerseys for the Springboks? Love it, 1-1. Yeah, funny enough. So literally yesterday, it was actually quite funny. They're absolutely fire. I always make the joke with my missus. Like when it comes to rugby jerseys, I've got so many. And she's like, yeah. So I said, I told her, I was like, no. When I saw them on Wednesday when they released, I was like, and they were going for sale on Thursday. I was like, I'm getting one. Luckily, so my dad phones me and he goes, listen, are you in a meeting or anything? Can we talk? So I said, yo, what's up? So he's like, no, video call me. He's like, no, he got us jerseys, but he's just, he's got actually his size wrong. So he's taking it back. So he just wants me to make sure about my size. But then God for me, my missus, everything like that. So, and that's funny because myself and my dad are both like rugby maniacs. So the fact that we both saw it and we both raced to see who could get there first to get the jerseys. But definitely a sick one to add to the collection. Donations are welcome, Keegs. I ordered the legacy jersey. I almost ordered it today. Then I saw the Pick and Pay logo at the back. So nah. The pick. Wait. Hold on, Mono. What are you? Don't tell me that, bro. What do you mean the? What do you mean the Pick and Pay logo on the back? Oh, did I not? No, bro. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's part of the collection. I think I've got like 7 Springbok jerseys. And then there's still like my franchise jerseys, my jerseys. There's a lot. What's your thoughts on the new Sharks kit? I haven't actually looked at the kit. I just saw they've also had the logo changed. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the logo. Huh? Even the Stormers, bro. I'm a Stormer, and also when they did this whole modernization of the logo, I don't like it. And even when I was sharing with a mate of mine, bro, we were watching obviously Curry Cup now at the moment, and I understand what they're doing to kind of unite the franchise. But like seeing the junior, your Curry Cup is like Stormers first XV or something, and then Stormers 23 and all of these things, like okay, but then they're still in the same jersey. But like it's just weird now, bro. When you watch like Curry Cup and there's no longer the blue and white hoops. Like it's just weird for me. But yeah, the Sharks, I haven't seen the kit. I just saw they had the logo change, and that logo looks cuck, bro. Like I'm guessing you're a Sharks fan, Milies. But for me, when I look at that Sharks logo, I just think of Baby Shark, bro. What's wrong with Pick and Pay? They need the support. They're drowning. Bro, it's more the thing of like last year, 2 years, we look like Checkers 60-60. Now we Pick and Pay, and at the same time, bro, like that I don't actually mind because it's on the back. But like when they had it, I think it was last year, they had it like on the warm up kit, and it was like dead center on the I was like, bro, what are you doing? So yeah, no, not the best. I don't know who. It has to be this new generation youngsters who are coming up with these logos. I'm also a Sharks fan and not a fan of the logo. They pick who play. Bro, it's horrific. There isn't even a shark of any kind. Just so you guys can see. So guys, this is always the thing we talk about. This would have been the position we're talking about, that sell. Oh, there it would have worked out, but not. And again, these trades can work out, but we've also seen from more times than not when we don't take these trades, it's more to actually protect capital. So you know what, you might miss out on the 1 or 2 trades, but in the long game, there's a lot more trades you save yourself from, if that makes sense to you. I'm sure there's still some of our DJs who took those trades or took that trade, but the rest of the Prodigy members, I'm sure, kept their heads. I'm hoping. That's Cribbo Strap playing out as well. Is he in it? The only thing for me, doesn't this candle count? I think me and him spoke about this before and I always forget. If you only stop at the 44, the 45's included. Nas inspired, bang bang. Okay, so he is done there. Alright. The boys are cooking. And I'm chatting here about baby shark logos. Just so you guys are aware, that is your NFP candle completely reversed. I took nothing. Oh crap, guys! But honestly, we actually should have been in theater. Now that I'm reading your message, legit, we should have been in, bro. The 1 minute break of that candle there. If we can get a pullback, I'll quickly re-enter. But Murphy's Law, this thing's gonna absolutely rip now. Come on, give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. Okay, I'm gonna enter there, guys. I'm basically just gonna run with the 100. Obviously, I can manage the position lower if need be. So once we break back above, I can really start managing it. But I think that is more than fair for me to go with here. And then we'll just see what we can go for. That is basically the lowest we could see this trade to. Keep zoned out on the tunes, bro. We having our own party here, bro. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, remember, if this candle closes inside here, guys, I will kill the position. Okay, and that is me out, ladies and gents. I'll kill it there. Yeah, because this thing can just become that fake out. If it runs, you know what, that is just Friday luck for me. But I will kill that position there now. No, I have just easier strategy. I have to agree. If you can't trade the opening range on your own, I don't know. Krivo, bro, but it's because you haven't made me that cheat sheet. So I don't know what I meant to do there, bro. I needed a cheat sheet. Alright guys, this thing can, if it rips now, it rips. Typical Fridays, so Fridays you obviously expect a little bit of reversals, but also a bit of range that we obviously see in through all of this. So if it reverses and it goes now, it's just unlucky. But yeah, I'm happy. Keys are no aggressive entry. Nah, I won't take an aggressive entry where we literally had a position, yeah, bro. That position was managed and just didn't go our favor. Oh, is gold also going to go reverse the NFP candle? US 30 chilling, ranging. PG members need cheat sheet. Probably G members on side quests. You should re-enter now if that 1 minute break structure. It's battling. Oh. You see, Krivo, you jinxed it now, bro. Chris is so bored he came to watch our stream. Yeah, I give up sometimes, guys. We would have been, to be fair, you wouldn't even be that far. I mean, you had to aim, I was aiming for 100, so you're not even that close. I think once it breaks this, I think then it could waterfall. But yeah, fun times, eh? Fun times. Why did you not take my entry criteria here? Bro, so, okay, what? Is this your entry criteria? The cell there. And what? Stops above the R. So let's say it's a 55. You'd still be in the position. You'd still be fighting, yeah, nah. Asia highs are gonna put up a fight there for you, bro. DXY is also bouncing back. It's bouncing back.
No control, no goodbye. Only shadows passing by. Feel the bass, feel the air. We are floating everywhere. Move.
Bum, 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 bum. Inflation has come out green. I think gold and Nas are ejecting properly to that news now. Yeah, see, right back. Right back. So I said we weren't gonna get involved there. I'll post it here for you guys. There's the link. Retake now on Nas as well. Oh.
Feel the pressure.
Yeah, it's like a complete reverse of that news candle.
Under the lights.
Where's
Destination. Only motion. Only rhythm. Move with the groove.
Rutic? Yeah, would be interesting.
With the groove.
I think a Rutic, yeah, becomes very interesting.
Stay in the flow. Deeper. Lower. Closer. Inside. No rush. No fear. No ending. We're here. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
The 1 minute Rutic. Hey, now the boys are on 1 minute Rutics.
Never break.
Nah, I need to see what this 5's gonna do, guys.
City disappears.
Remember, it's close now. You guys don't know why I'm saying that if you'd enter or not.
Every heartbeat.
I still...
Every frequency.
For me, it's a tough one to enter that Rutic there. I can't enter that yet.
Underground. Together.
Does the Popo still in BFIs with TGs here in the Sirens League? No, we're right across the road from one of those like medical stops, those where all the ambulances and them are obviously parked. So obviously when there's accident or something, they leave from here.
Fade into rhythm.
Yeah, no entry, guys.
Fade into silence.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. I think you guys 1 minute retake it a B as well now. Yes, I think it comes also. Yeah. Yeah, like I'm not exactly sure on it and that, but yeah.
Everything in motion. Lost inside the rhythm.
So Asia high. We want to see if it can break through there.
Nothing to
Can we get through Asia?
Keep it low, keep it deep, keep it moving, never sleep. Breathe in, fade out. One sound, one mind.
Come on, markets. There we go. Get through Asia.
Underground, no beginning, no end.
Oh, 1 minute retake. Next up, 30-second.
Step by step, beat by beat, move together, feel the heat. No voices, no silence, only frequencies colliding. Slow, flow, repeat. Into the night, into the sound.
Oh, okay. Now I think we would have either been like break even or.
We're still moving.
Okay, there would have been your TP. Unlucky, ladies and gents. But that is just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. Quick 500, thank you. Could just retest that Asia high, even that monthly R2, weekly R2, and then see what happens from there.
Below the surface.
We could get like a backside retest and a move lower now, like I'd consider re-entry. Because now you're a bit further away, it's a different position you're starting to look at. The only thing is, because like if you can enter there, we still have this as our first target. And then obviously that little bit lower once you hit Asia low, daily pivot, EQ. So then you can start to look at a different approach. So let's see.
Feel the pressure, hold the silence, move together, stay connected, deep, deeper.
Retake on the tick chart, bounce off the 0.1 EMA. Oh, these guys are the guys are throwing anything they have at it.
Nothing to chase, nothing to prove. Let the current carry you. Close your eyes, open your mind. Leave the daylight far behind. One groove, one frequency, one heartbeat, one reality. Breathe, release, return, repeat.
So bang it. This is like a little sundowners tune. Yeah, that's a aggressive 4 hour.
The night keeps turning. The rhythm remains beyond the silence. We flow again.
I might take an aggressive trade. I just want to see this pump a little bit lower here. Okay, I say lower and it goes the other direction. So no lower. Okay, that's what we were going to talk about. If we could have it re-break. No re-breaks. It is now going bullish. So you guys wanted me to be aggressive, and now I can't even be aggressive. We're going to still wait. If it flips, I mean, that's nice. But now we need to wait for it to flip. So
Street lights rushing by the glass, watching every moment pass. Engine humming with the beat, night unfolding underneath. Keep driving.
Sure, guys, I want to take a trade here, but there's just nothing that's like screaming to me, eh?
Midnight velocity, running through me like a river to the sea.
What can we take? What can I see here?
And free like a dream of energy.
What can we see?
Velocity. Velocity.
And that's just short. Oh my word. Everything for our entry criteria is like just not coming together yet. Sure, and that would have, I think, been like a perfect TP, guys. 100 on the dot. Look at that. Bang. Close eyes and buy. Vikesh, I don't know. It's a playlist, my brother. I did just share the playlist. So can we get
Just a push, sweet
guys, on this candle, I'm gonna take a long. Okay, we're in there. We are literally gonna go below this previous candle, so we're gonna go to about 70. That is pretty much it. Yeah, not the best position I'd probably want to go for on the day, but this is obviously what we have here for us as opportunity. Cribbo, there's a boot camp. Keith, there's a boot camp tomorrow. Maybe Cribbo will have his cheat sheet ready. The only thing with this position, guys, is literally off the rip. Yeah, we're at that 200, so that's what we got to monitor. If we can get through that, we are solid.
Może nie sanepito, ukryć to mi sam to możesz. Je duży nestado.
Hold above the daily R1 and hold above that 200. If we go back under the 200, then I'm gonna have to start managing. Guys, I'm gonna be aggressive with management purely just because it's Friday. There's no need to take unnecessary losses on a Friday. Okay, this candle, guys, I am going to go a half stop. So we're at a 70, we're going to go 350. Reason for that is this candle right here. That candle nearly closed bullish, which is exactly what I would like to see. And even when this happens, I like to see it as two ways. You either, if this is going to go, that's a pause candle and we're going to drive volume. If not, it's going to reverse and come down. So we can really take half risk off that position. So as I said, aggressive with management here today, and that's purely just because it's a Friday. I don't need to sit here and take unnecessary losses into the weekend. Run those highs again. The minute it runs that high again, guys, I'm going to go completely break even on the position. So the minute we run that high, I'm going break even. Sure. We are fighting for a position here today, guys. If we close like, yeah, guys, as I said, under that 200, pretty much, yeah, I'm going to kill it now. Okay, that is me out the position, guys. Literally, I think I was like a pip up above. So a break even for me. That's purely just what we're seeing off of that. You're back under the R1, back under 200. Price just not wanting to play ball. Just not wanting to give us anything today. Yeah. So yeah, guys, time to, that's just, I'm not gonna force, guys. We tried the sells, the aggressive management. We took a little 30 pip there, and then literally ran and hit TP perfectly. Went for the longs. Management for, as I said, the rule is the 200. If it runs now, it runs. I give up. It's Friday and a long week, bro. I need this long weekend. My brain is hurting. My brain is hurting after this. I was gonna say, this is okay. That just shows you literally the chop. If that thing ran straight to TP now, then I was gonna be bleak. Go enjoy it, but guys, I just want to see what this thing's gonna do here quickly. I'm with you on that, Keeks. Yo. But that's, guys, please remember it's NFP week. So pros, you will know we actually saw a very good week. So pretty much, let's just call it a no day. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna cry about 20 pips, 30 pips. With a break even. My DGen account I am down on for NFP. Then the rest of the week we pretty much up. Monday, great day. Tuesday, great day. Wednesday, we took a loss. Thursday, banger trade. Back here. So still up for the week. Ending the week BE rather than sitting through a long weekend and draw. That's what I'll say, Millies. Mentally, I always trade with how I have to cope with things mentally. And I'm still a human. I take a loss, yeah, and I've had a good week, and I ended up on I screwed up on a Friday. Then I'm irritated with myself. Then I'm like, okay, now I'm not. And then obviously you go back and you start catching on cuck and stuff like that, and it's a long weekend, and so you know what? I'll rather be aggressive with trades. Pretty much close off at a break-even week, break-even day, basically. been gone a while. Explain the paid to trade. Yeah, there it goes. It's been a lot, another banger week. Missed the opening range, but I'm up for the week. Yeah, guys, there goes the trade. So it's been a long week. But also, ladies and gents, please remember, I don't know if we have the thing here for. Hold on, let me go on my phone. Just to drop you guys the free bootcamp thing tomorrow. Remember, guys, completely free. I will give you a hint. There might be some prizes going out, but it is completely free for you to join. We are going to be doing 8 o'clock. Big another thing, we obviously have stopped with recordings. Again, not because of everyone, but when the minute you record, people don't rock up because they just want the recording and they just waste our time. So we will no longer be doing recordings. So you have to kind of be there for it, but free bootcamp. All right. There's the link for you guys. Free trading bootcamp going to be happening tomorrow with Chris and myself. There will be some stuff up for it there with you guys, so please do attend it. And then obviously we're going to be moving a lot of stuff in future to the platform with the free WhatsApp, guys. Like typical trader now with my 2 phones. Purely just one, obviously a personal, and the other one is the 2G's phone. But we're going to be managing things that, and there's the TP. Okay. If anyone still was in that trade, I'm glad you won. I'm glad you got some pips there. But I can't, guys. So free one tomorrow. Then we're obviously going to move forward with quite a few stuff. Again, sneak peek, a lot of the YouTube coming up. I know Chris and myself used to say it a lot, but literally already filmed. It's already done. It's ready to go. So YouTube video dropping on Sunday night. Kribo is another one coming. So literally you guys can be expecting 2 long form videos a week. That's going to be our goal for ourselves. So Sunday you guys can keep a lookout for that. And we're going to keep it moving from there. But ladies and gents, really appreciate all of you. It's been an incredible week. And also, before we leave, we are going to go for our prayer. But maybe that's why, guys. Maybe that is why I got to break even. Because we didn't pray before. We're only praying afterwards. If I was praying before, then we would have, instead of being worked out at break even, we would have survived the trade by like that much and then gone to TP. That's the reason. But ladies and gents, quickly before we leave, let's actually end off with prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing this amazing group, community. Thank you for bringing us together, despite our differences, despite where we came from, despite our financial backgrounds, despite age differences. We come together with this one love for trading. It's another gift that you gave to us, Lord, to equal the playing field. So when times were tough and we might not think there's a way, and even if we were underprivileged, this was that one thing where we could grow a skill. We could determine something ourselves, and we could make a difference for ourselves, for our families, our friends, our loved ones. To be better, to be the change in our generation, to be the change in our families. So we want to thank you for that, Lord. Because we know with this community and with this gift, we can only go from strength to strength with you always leading us and guiding us, empowering us to do better every single day. Every day we rise, Lord, to get closer to you as a friend, a father, a caretaker, a nurturer, but to even strive to just be more like you, Lord. To be that good friend, to be that good father, to love thy neighbor, And you know what, Lord? To actually take care of others even when they don't deserve it. Because that's what you do for us. You continue to bless us and grace us even when we don't deserve it, Lord. And that is just a representation of your unconditional love. So as we go into this weekend, Lord, I pray that you can be with every single person here. Have that hand of protection over any of those that are on the road that could be traveling. A lot of the kids in schools who play their last games for the year. Could be their last school event for their schooling career as they start to embark and finish in that year. That you can be with those families and those children. That you can be with everyone else, no matter what they're doing, whether it is going out to support their country, whether it is just to be with friends this weekend, whether it's to relax, whether it's that de-stress, that you can be there with us, Lord. That everything we do, we just continue to uplift you. Whether it's a Monday to Friday, Saturday or Sunday, that we keep you at the core and we keep your name rise high above everything else. Because no matter what, whenever we are in need, we know you will always provide for us in abundance. So, Lord, I just want to thank you for every little thing, for this gracious community and everything that you've done for us. And we want to pray this in your heavenly name. Amen. Chad and all of his people that are in agreement can drop an amen in the chat. So, and there we have it, ladies and gents. A great way to finish off. Just unlucky with the TP. I see it looks like we hit a TP and then it's starting to reverse again, but nonetheless. But Chad, have an amazing one. As always, we're going to see you guys tomorrow. For those that are on the boot camp, remember, go register. It's for free. But I'll see those of you there tomorrow. And everyone else, I'll see you guys Monday, same time, same place. Project G, have a good one. Everyone else, have a great one. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
It starts as the